Brock Chapel. I'm a veterinary student at the University of Calgary, and I've had the opportunity to work with our wonderful pandas here at the Calgary Zoo in a few different ways. I've been able to get in with our animal care staff here at the zoo and actually see what they do in terms of husbandry from behind the scenes, and it's given me that inside scoop in terms of what their care looks like. But the other thing that's really helped my learning as a veterinary student is getting involved with that veterinary team and really seeing my mentors here at the zoo and how they've really engaged in lifelong learning. This is a new species to the Calgary Zoo. We haven't had them here for a long time. And so these incredible veterinarians need to look to professionals, not only across Canada, so working with the Toronto Zoo, but around the world to make sure that we're providing exceptional care. And seeing my mentors engaged in that process has really inspired me to always want to learn and continue in my education. It's also really cool from the perspective of veterinary medicine being also an educational field. We always have to engage people because we can't be involved in every interaction with animals. And seeing these guys here really is empowering because these two, Pan and Gio behind us, are the first Canadian-born cubs as part of a captive breeding program. And this breeding program doesn't only contribute to conservation efforts that are helping pandas in the wild, but it also really puts those animals in front of us, and it makes it so that we fall in love. And I think one of my favorite things to say is there would be no difference between a unicorn and a panda for young people if it wasn't for the fact that they can see them and engage with them. And it really fosters this love to make a difference for animals here in our own country, but around the world as well. So having them here has been really impactful in that way. And I think it's really helped bring my learning to kind of an elevated level because it's allowed me to engage in a way that is beyond just the conventional cats and dogs, which is amazing as well, but takes it to a global scale.
I'm Megan Henkelman. I'm a student at the University of Calgary, and I did an exchange to Hong Kong last year. And it was definitely the most rewarding experience of my undergrad. I really was taken out of my comfort zone and sort of made myself to be self-reliant. I had to live on my own and then also live in a totally different culture where I experienced totally new things, new ways of thinking about things that I never thought about before, and just the experience of living in a super big city when I live in Calgary, which is super spread out. To experience that density was like quite rewarding experience.